she's shutting my computer down.
Is it shutting down or... Oh, no, she just logged you out. Just click on your picture. Your flower. What did she do?
I don't know. I have no clue. What did you do to my computer? Huh? Walnut, what did you do to my computer? Do you even know?
Oh, it's on magnifying.
How did he do that?
I don't know yet.
Walnut, you are bad.
Let me sit there for a minute, dear.
You are bad. I'm getting on it.
Sure enough.
Yep. Are you typing?
There's your chance to use the computer, dear.
Yep. You bet she doesn't want me to use the mouse. Look at this. Just look at this.
She's happy.
Mm-hmm. Now what are you going to do, huh? Now what? Now what? She's licking me.
She's giving you kisses, huh?
Ow! She bit me.
She bit you or nibbled?
She bit me.
She's like, you're not petting me.
Yeah, Daddy's taking your picture. Now what's she doing?
Now, you know this is a sign that winter's breaking, that she's coming out more.
She's all over my computer.
Because before she was hibernating in our room, now she's...
Now what's she doing?
She's probably going to magnify your screen again.
Mm-hmm.
She's like, you ain't typing on this computer. Move the mouse around on the computer.
Okay.
She brought up your... Oh, here we go again. She's bringing everything up again.
Okay. Hey, cat. Hey. Hey, Walnut. Okay.
She's just being very, very bad.
Walnut. Walnut. Hey, looky. Looky. Looky at the mouse.
Look at the pointer.
Look.
She's like, I don't care about the pointer. I want you to pet me.
Oh.
And actually take the brush to her. Ah! That's what she wants.
Look at her.
That's what she wants. Look at that. She's enjoying it.
Is that what you want? You are a strange cat. Now you're on my computer.
Yeah, she has my hand nailer.
No.
That red thing, right?
Yeah.
That's the hand nailer.
Oh.
To put a nail in a wall.
I thought it was a lighter.
No, to put a nail in the wall, you put a nail in the black part.
I don't want to see your butt.
And you use your palm of your hand to push a nail into a piece of wood or into whatever.
Oh. I don't want to see your butt. You got your butt in my face. She's loving it. Getting a lot of fur. She's shedding. Hey, walnut.
I hate to say this, but I think you lost your computer, dear.
Oh, now she got it. For her to attack it.
You too? I need to run up that blind some.
Walnut. Walnut. Looky. Walnut.
Oops, now you're moving the whole thing.
Uh-huh, what the heck did that do?
Let's see here. Let's see your mouse for a minute.
Well, what the heck did she do?
Oh, she's leaning on the one button. No, she locked your numeric key. You can't do anything until she gets off the buttons. You can move the pointer around all you want there.
Look, you cat. You're bad. She's looking at the camera. Oh, you're funny.
That's what I have to do if we plug in your fan.
She don't want you doing that either.
Actually, I should say I plug in a loose fan.
Yeah. What did she do?
Well, you can use your pointer now, you just can't do anything else. I think she's going to go to sleep on there.
Uh-huh. You're bad.
Oh, that's what I want to do. I want to print out some cards today for your ISE.
Yeah.
Might do that here in a little bit. And I still want to get that other printer out here. But we figure out where we're going to put the games.
I think she's going to go to sleep.
You think so too?
She don't want me on this computer.
Just like before. Yeah, when it was cold out and stuff, when the winter was here, you did not see hair of her, did you? Now that the weather's breaking, I think she put a smudge in my lens.
You're bad.
We got about 6 minutes of the cat.
Hmm.
You can put this on your blog tonight.
Uh-huh.
Well, actually, you know what? I might put it on my main channel. What do you think? Our main channel?
Yeah. Now she's got a scratch.
Yes, we couldn't figure out what channel we're going to put this on.
She's looking at something.
Okay, start moving around your mouse again, see if she follows it.
She is following it.
Try erratic motions. Now it looks like she's trying to catch it a little bit, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, slow down a little bit. This is called free entertainment. She just about fell off the computer. Hello everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video with our cat Walnut. She's a nut. She's back on Lisa's computer right now. If you'd like to see us do more videos on our pets, please comment below. And if you do like our videos, please give that thumbs up, like, and please subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. Thank you, and have a great day.